Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing the most simple smoky eye ever using two shadows only. We're going to be using a cream shadow and then like a nice silvery shadow to draw attention to the eye. So if you're interested in doing this really easy smoky eye with me and full bead complexion to wear to a party or just to stand out, to look beautiful, to feel beautiful, then you can like this video while you're watching, subscribe if you are not already, and let's just get straight into it. First, I'm going to prime the skin, and I'm going to use this Daybreak from CoverGirl. It's the Vitalist Go Glow. I actually accidentally cut mine open. And this is a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury, that glow that everyone talks about. Total dupe. You see that? It's a really intense glow. I really love this. My face feels a bit dehydrated, so I'm going to take a little bit of the Smashbox primer oil and just put that in my hand and along the outer perimeters of the face. This will really help the makeup look good. I'm going to get under my eye for the concealer portion of this video. The foundation I want to go in with is the Milk Makeup Foundation, and I actually have a lightener for any of my foundations that are too dark for me. I think this is going to be too dark, so we'll lighten it with this. But first, let us get into the eye look. Now, we don't need to prime the eyes since we have the cream shadow. So what I'm going to do, now that I have the oil on my hands, I'm struggling to open this, and I'll let you know what it is when I eventually get it open. Hold on. What I have here for the cream shadow is the Maybelline Color Tattoo Leather in Chocolate Suede, specifically. So I'm going to take that on my finger, and I'm just going to press that onto the lid. I'll get a little bit closer so you guys can see. There really is no wrong way to do this shadow look. It's very, very easy. Basically blend it up. I'm going to add a little bit more because I want it a little bit darker. And then what I want to do is take a fluffy brush and just fluff that into the crease and a little bit above. What's nice about these shadows is they don't set down immediately, giving you some play time, some work time with them. And I'm going to flick it out here. Just make sure that all that product is evenly dispersed. Like that. Simple. All right, all I've done to this eye is add the Artist Couture Spotlight Glitz right all along the whole entire mobile lid, just to add that element of pop, like I'm here, I'm at the party. And that's it for the eye look. I'm going to pop on some Lily Lashes Triple X mascara and my Cosmic Lashes in Honey, my favorite, by the way. I do have a code, Ashley20, for 20% off the whole website. Well, the Milk makeup was a bust, so I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay in Buff Beige. This is actually probably better for us. And looks like it'll be a perfect match. So, not mad at that. You guys, if you hear that vent, that's because I'm in the basement. And it's all sorts of noise down here. Like creepy noises. If I was a kid, I'd be terrified down here. Alright, taking my sponge and just going to blend that out. Now this is super, super full coverage. I mean, this is going to last at least 16 hours or more. So, and it will not budge. This is a really, really good foundation. One of the more reliable ones. You guys, look at these lashes. They're so beautiful. I'm going in with the Revlon Candid Concealer. find this is really nice full coverage. I'm going to take it down the side of the nose. It's a nose contouring trick. And I don't want to highlight here because that's a little larger part of my body that I don't want to highlight. Anywhere you want, light drawn to or attention drawn to is where you want to add your concealer. And these are the places I want to add my concealer. Super full coverage, weightless. I love this stuff. Cannot get enough. And look, it blends like a dream in like 2 seconds. And for the lower lash line, I'm just going to put mascara on. Nothing crazy. Just very, very light mascara. Because there's something very, I don't know, 50s about that. Really, really classic and timeless, I think. Going in with my number 7 Lift and Illuminate powder, and I'm going to set the under eye area. Look how that just blurs everything out. It makes everything look completely flawless and airbrushed. I am obsessed with this stuff. You guys have to get it. I just ordered mine off Walgreens, and I had it shipped to the store for free, and it was actually on sale, so I got it for like $6. And of course, if you have points, you can use your points toward your purchase, so that's what I did. So that's why I got it for like $6. Just the smallest coat on the lashes. This really lengthens the lashes like no other I've seen before. All right, and now I want to cream contour. I have this LA Colors contour stick. So let's just take the contour stick and run it along the hairline, sculpt out the nose a little bit. So you can see how crooked my nose is. Definitely the lips. And a little on the jawline. All right, I think that's enough. Start blending. Stuff blends out like a dream. Super quick. Gives the best contour. Like, look at that. So beautiful. And the Maybelline Superstay does not make you look cakey at all. It just is the perfect balance of full coverage, and I don't know, I just love it. I haven't used it in years, but I figured I would pop it out for this video. And this LA Colors contour stick is like my new favorite right now, because it looks completely flawless. Wow. All right, I am thoroughly impressed. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to take that same translucent powder. Wait, I think I want to take Tarte Kind is the New Pretty. And I'm just going to take my powder brush and set those areas down where I didn't, like right here. I want to make sure to get there so that the bronzer doesn't skip on us. For the bronzer, you guys know, you already know, I love the Too Faced, no, actually, you know what I'm going to use? I have the Bare Minerals bronzer in Faux Tan. This one's actually really, really good too. It's a really nice shade to it. But this one is not for beginners. It's a little bit more intense than the last. And don't worry, I'm going to go blend this all out with a big powder brush. Some of the areas that I set I didn't set well enough. I'm going to take my Pro Contour brush from Shop Miss A. It is from the brand Urban Studio. It's the 208 brush. And contour my nose. Like, look at that. It's perfect. I literally have to do nothing. Just connect. And it is like a perfect nose contour. Be careful with this next product. It is the LA Girl Just Blushing in Just Playful. I went in with like 2 little tiny stripes, or like dunks, and look at how my face turned out on that side. Just be careful with this product. I like to take my blush high and then bring it down and roll it in some circles, and that's about enough. For our highlight, I want to go in with this Essence Glow to Go. It's actually a 100% dupe for the Hourglass quad there. The quad, that's $64, so I'm just going to run it through the whole thing and add it to my cheekbones, a little bit to the front of the cheeks. As you can see, it's still really, really pretty, but we don't want to look like a disco ball. We want to look elegant, put together, beautiful, radiant. Taking that on the inner corner, just the second shade in, and on the brow bone. Oh my gosh, I love this. I can't get enough of this highlighter. It's so pretty. Then I want to go into the Clinique powder I had yesterday. That's right here. And this is an all-over finishing powder, so I'm just going to add this to the whole face. Now, I think I'm good. Let's set the face with some Glam Glow Glow Setter. And top it off once again with the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. Then we just have lips. I'm going to line my lips with Milani's Most Natural, and I'll be right back. I'm thinking of going in with a nude, okay, pink. This is NARS Catfight. And then I'm going to take my finger and blend that out. Yeah, we're looking really sleek. And for a gloss, I'm going to take this Becca Liptuitive Glow Gloss. And this actually turns your lips a bit pink, so like a little bit bitten, if you will. So would you wear this look to a nice party? What do you feel about the smoky eye? You can actually add any color you want over top of your cream shadow. You can go in with a darker cream shadow, a lighter cream shadow. I just kind of like these for a one and done situation. I was wanting to go in with the Milani Soft and Sultry, that gunmetal shade, but I couldn't find the palette. But just know that I would have chosen a cool toned silvery shade, but this will do, I guess. Well, what I'm thinking is, could we do a little bit of this Mothership that we did the other day? That would look really nice, I think. Yes, that added a nice element to it. Beautiful. I would definitely compare these to the Stila Magnificent Metals 100%. These are gorgeous. I highly recommend them. They are the Koki Crystal Fusion eyeshadows, and this is in the shade Mothership. It's like a nice green, but it doesn't translate super green. It just is smoky, smoldering, which is what we want right now. Anyway, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not already. I love you all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.